welcome back to our channel. I know it's been a long time since we've posted a long big video on YouTube. This time we are going to do Skittles! I am literally so excited. I've been waiting to do this.
I bet you are. Yeah, over a year ago we did a Skittles challenge and this is what it ended up looking like after the last Skittles challenge. Yeah, extremely funny, but my skin was stained for days after this, okay?
That's
so we sacrificed a lot for this challenge. Here we are again. We're about to do it all over again for you guys. A lot of you in the comments in the shorts video said, can you please blend it out? Guys, it was so hard to blend it out last time, but this time...
We're going to try and blend it as much as we can this time.
So, are we ready?
Yes!
Let's do it, sister. We're going to use a bunch of paints today.
Yep, and most of them... It always happens every single time. Most of the paints that we are using are from P. Louise and James Charles.
So let's
get into this.
I actually feel Undercover Cassie enjoys this because she can just munch away while I look ridiculous.
How this works, guys, is I put my hand in the Skittle packet and then, for example, if I picked green, then her foundation would be green, and then we would do concealer, blusher, and then, yeah.
The first step is the base. So Cassie is gonna close her eyes, choose my base colours, wish me luck.
Purple.
Oh, great. So purple it is. I'm so excited for this.
Aren't you?
So excited.
I know you are. I know. You're crying in the inside, I know it.
And on the outside soon.
Welcome to the purple minion.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
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 Okay, so next.
Okay.
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 Okay. Okay. Okay. Next is concealer. Red.
Oh god, what if my under eye stain red?
I'm trying as hard as I can, guys, to blend it. Forehead a little bit.
Oh god, I think we can hold back on the red a little bit now. Looking pretty?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Nice.
Next, eyeshadow.
I don't even know why I'm crossing my finger. Orange. Because there's no colour that's going to come out there that's decent. Okay.
Actually, no. You purple.
Give me a hug.
The second time you've done it.
So, orange eyelids.
It's looking fantastic.
You're lying to me.
She gave me the cheese touch.
I feel like I need to get my payback on you for this.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Open your eyes.
I can't even see my eyes now.
Next is...
What is it? What's next?
eyebrows.
Oh, nice. Nice. Cheeks and brown. Do we have a brown Skittle? Oh, green! It is the brightest green as well. So it's not like she went for a nice subtle green.
I mean, bogey vibes.
It's giving bogey vibes, is it? Interesting. So we're going to have bogey eyebrows.
Yeah.
We're always eating something. I look ridiculous while you just enjoy munching on sweets.
I'm colouring your face.
Colouring my face. This is literally it. Just colouring my face. See my... Wow!
Next is contour.
I bet it's going to be something stupid like yellow or something. I don't know.
Green.
It feels so sticky.
I'm actually done your hair.
No. Don't get no ideas. You're getting it on my hair anyway. Stop! No, stop getting on my hair, man. What's wrong with you? good idea. Like because we're so close to each other all the time. Like that we should be matching with each other, no?
No.
Like, I love you, man. I just love you.
Next, blusher.
Yellow. It's gonna be yellow. Blusher is yellow. Yellow.
Oh, you was correct.
Yellow.
Blend, blend, blend.
Oh! You're all in for it now, are you?
Amazing.
Amazing. Look beautiful. It looks like the Skittles clashed, had a fight, and they threw up, and then this is what happened afterwards.
Last but not least, the lipstick.
Just give me red, at least a reasonable colour for lips. Just doesn't close your eyes, because I feel like you'll cheat and try and give me the worst colour on my lips. Ideally, I like red. Red! I don't even like red lipstick, but
That's the best colour in the Skittles.
yes, red it is.
Let's see after. Let me have some. Yeah! This side. Yeah! So this is the final results. It was better than last time.
You prefer this look. Which one do you prefer, guys? You prefer this look
Or the
or the
old
older
one.
look? That'd be good.
Comment down below which one you liked better. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you liked the video, then give it a like. Bye, guys.
Bye.